Hi, this is a little tour I've filmed for you in the city of Girona, a Catalan city where the shooting of season 6 of Game of Thrones is due to begin, I think in early September or whatever. So I made a little tour for you and I will explain all the features that you're gonna see. This is the bridge over Riunya and Onya River, and this is the Church of San Feliu. I will talk about it later. And this is the lioness of Girona. This is very famous lioness because there is a legend that if you want to return to Girona, you have to go up and kiss her arse. Okay, well, that's folklore. Then this is the stairs of San Feliu's church. You see, this the facade is a little Baroque or Renaissance, but the interior is Gothic style, as most of the churches in Girona. Well, there are different ages here. Okay, and this is the way to San Pere de Galligans monastery. Now is a museum of archaeology, and this little chapel here on the site. I don't remember its name, and we will enter to this church, and I don't know, maybe if some of the shooting will take place here, or I don't know, I don't really know. I've looked on the internet for some clues, but well, everybody's guessing, so okay, I will show you what's inside. You see, this is a church in Roman style, mostly. A little bit of Gothic on the cloister, we'll see it later. Maybe if you have some suggestions on whatever place will serve for which scene that is due to be shot on season 6 of Game of Thrones, maybe you can comment it on the comment section and on the video. I will be glad to see it. Okay, this is the cloister of the ancient monastery. I don't know. I think that Girona in Catalonia will be a good scenario for Game of Thrones. I don't know if they will shoot only scenes of Old Town, or maybe, I don't know, Bravos, Dorne. I don't really know. I think no one knows besides the crew, the filming crew, and the producers and directors and everything. Okay, I apologize for the shaky images, but I sped up the video, I think 3 times as fast as normal, because if not, it would have been a very, I don't know, very long video to watch. Well, you fans of Game of Thrones, I hope you appreciate the possibility of viewing the location of part of season 6. Okay, this is the square of the juries. Maybe something will happen here. You see the cobblestone streets in Girona, and we're approaching the Arabic baths. Well, they were not really Arabic, but this is the name that they have, and I think I will enter there. Okay, see, there's the bell tower of the monastery of San Pere de Galligans, and this is the cathedral up there. Okay, this is the sign advising that will be closed these Arabic baths for the shooting of Game of Thrones. And here is, I think, beneath this lantern is the place where you could take off your clothes at that time for the baths. These are mostly medieval baths, but based on a Roman layout. Okay, we are going to see the Hippocaust here. I don't know how it's called in English. Hippocaust is where the hot air flowed beneath the pool to warm up the water, and this outside is the remainings of the furnace. You see where where the hot air entered. And now we'll have a little stroll on the rooftop of the building. Okay, now I realize that maybe this video is a little bit faster than it should be. Oh, we have seen the bell tower of San Felipe Church for a little bit, and this is the lantern. Down again. Oh, I hope you don't get sick. Tell me if you do. I apologize. Okay, now we are going up to the remains of the walls of the city. They were mainly medieval walls, but on the remains of the Roman walls of Girona. The name of Girona in Roman times. Okay, this is called the Passeig Arqueològic. It's archaeological stroll, and we could see the remainings of those walls. Maybe they'll make a good scenario for the shooting. Right. We're going up the walls. The city of Girona is located between rivers in a hill. So the city is around the old part of the city is around that hill, and we are going up to the highest place, to the highest spot on the hill, where we could see, I don't know, all the surroundings, the remains of a tower of the wall, I think. Now we are going up to a place called, I don't remember the name. It's yes, it's a Gironella Tower, Torre Gironella. It's the uppermost tower on those walls, and it has Roman remains as well as medieval. That's the sign. Okay, in the surroundings there are quite beautiful gardens there too. Well, it's a very beautiful city, as you can see it, and many tourists were visiting that city at the time I shot that video. I don't know if you have any suggestions on where they will shoot, which scenes in season 6. If you have any idea, I will be glad to hear it in the comment section. Now we are going out to the upmost spot on the walls. These are the remains of the tower, Gironella Tower. Yeah, it's shaky. I know. I apologize for this. Okay, now we are going to see a view of Girona. Down there you see that long wall that you have seen. It surrounds the oldest, the ancient part of the city. Okay, the gardens are quite nice here. Also, the day was not very hot and very pleasant for strolling. I don't know. I think that it will be good in film, this part of the city. Okay, we see up there the crows. Okay, you've seen the lion first of the Lannisters, now the crows of the wall, and that was the bell tower of the cathedral. We are going down to the cathedral now. And those streets that what could they be? Bravos, or I don't know, King's Landing, Old Town. I don't know. I'll see. Now we're going down to the cathedral. We're gonna see another animal from the houses of Game of Thrones soon. Oh, that clock should be removed for the shooting, I think. Don't you think? Okay, now we see a dragon there. You see it? Yeah. Okay, this is the facade of the cathedral. The cathedral itself is Gothic, but not the facade. It's much more modern. And now I'm trying to film the facade while I'm stepping down on the stairs. Okay, a little shaky now. Okay, no, it's quite impressing, the cathedral up there. Up there, all those stairs. Now we'll go out off the walls for a little bit to see the entrance to the city. Now we're going out. This is a portal of the city. This is San Feliu Church, the apsis, the first church we've seen. Now we're going into the city through the portal. Maybe, I don't know, some scene will be this. Okay, thank you, lady. Now, quite a bit of stairs. Now we are going into the La Forza Street. This is the main street of the city, and this is it's a Jewish remain. I don't recall the name of this thing on the side of the door, but this is the place where the Jewish quarter was at the time in medieval times, and we will see some streets, some narrow streets with stairs that are typical from this part of the city. Yeah, lots of tourists, you see. Oh, that's good. Now we're going to San Llorenç Street, I think it's called. Up the stairs. Quite narrow streets are they? And this Jewish quarter was very important at that time. Well, the Jews were expelled from the Christian kingdoms of the Iberian Peninsula at that time. Okay, these are those narrow and beautiful streets, and we are going back to the main street of the quarter. The La Forza Street it's called the street of the strength of the city when it was sieged. The city of Girona received in its history lots of sieges by different people: the Romans, the Arabs, the French, everyone. Okay, we are going now up on the La Forza Street to the Museum of the Jews. It's a quite beautiful museum here in Girona. It's quite beautiful and quite interesting to visit. And we are going down now to meet the river where I finished this tour. I don't know, maybe I've missed some of the possible locations of the shooting, but I don't know. Let's see if in season 6 we will see some of these images in a different shade completely. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you.